guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am starting the first college vlog, I guess. I leave for New Orleans in 12 days. We're driving up there. I move in on the 11th, so 13 days till move-in day. Basically, I decided that today I wanted to film like a makeup packing video, sort of. I got this thing. It's a makeup organizer. I bought it when I was dorm shopping at Bed Bath & Beyond, and I decided that everything that fits in here is the only stuff I'm going to take because I really don't need that much makeup. I have this area. Let me show you. So basically, you know, I have some palettes, my messy makeup table. Hi. This area, some brushes, but that is about it. So, yeah, if y'all want to see how I try and pack up this stuff, then just keep watching. And yes, come along with me on my college, you know, stuff. This is so weird because, like, I'm going to college in 12 days. That's so weird. That's so weird. Oh my god. Okay, alright. Bye, guys. Alright, y'all, so this is fully packed and this is the stuff I'm bringing. So now for this, opens like this, and basically I have lipsticks, glitters, Anastasia Dip Brow, MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, some Bobbi Brown eyeliner, just some powders and contour brush stuff. Here's my like essentials. I have my foundation, highlight, concealer, powder, you know, primer, mascara, just all that. And then here I just have some colorful eyeliners and my 3 Anastasia lipsticks because I don't know. And then here I just have my powder stuff. This little drawer I have highlighters, and then this one I don't have anything to fill it in with yet. Oops. Here I have just 2 eyelashes. Up here some color correcting, and then just some stuff. These are my brushes I'm bringing, and then my melt stack. So I have the Dark Matter, the Lovesick, and Radioactive. So it's stuck. So yeah, that is basically what I'm going to bring makeup wise. And And so that's packed. Oh my god, this is so satisfying. Oh, yes. So that is basically done. Now I'm just going to put, hold on. Okay. So I'm just gonna put the box back in the original box and then just put that in my car, and then we're on the way. And then this stuff, I'll just put it somewhere secure. So yes, packing part 1 of my makeup is done, and now soon the mess of the room. Alright, well, we'll see you next on whatever next packing part I do. Bye guys.